Hello friends, today we are going to solve equation higher order differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay, so the question is d cube minus 2d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to minus e to power 3x. Okay, so the question is in standard form. We have to find only the auxiliary equation. So for auxiliary equation, put d equal to m, then equation become m cube minus 2m square minus 5m plus 6. Okay, so it is a cubic equation. It has three roots. So by hit and trial method we find the first value of m. So we have to put minus 1 or 1, so we have to put 1. Okay, so m cube means 1 and 2 5, we have to put the m equal to 1. So minus 5 minus 2 7 and 6 plus 1 7, it becomes 0. So m equal to 1. Okay, now we have to factor this cubic equation, means we have to factorize this cubic equation. So let's see how am I factorize it. So 1, then coefficient, or write the coefficient of m cube, it is 1, and the coefficient of m square minus 2, coefficient of m 5 minus 5, sorry, and constant is minus 6. Okay, so first term write as it is. Okay, now multiply 1 into 1, it's become 1. Okay, so subtract the 1 from 2, minus 2, sorry, minus 2, it's become minus 1. Then again multiply 1 into minus 1, so it's become minus 1, and it's become minus 1 minus 1 minus 5, it's become 6. So again then again multiply 1 into minus 6. Okay, minus 1 into minus 6, it become minus 6. Okay, so plus minus, it become 0. Now we get 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1, and 1 into 6. Okay, now it is the coefficient of x square, and minus 1 is the coefficient of x, and minus 6 is constant. So x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. And I'm sorry, the quadratic equation is formed in the terms of m, because it is the quotient. In the quotient, it is we solve in the terms of m, so it's solvable for m. So now factorize this quadratic equation, it is easy. So factor will be m square plus 3m minus 2m minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, m into m plus 3 minus 2 into m plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so the first root equal to m equal to 1, second equal to m equal to 2, and third equal to m equal to minus 3. Okay, so the roots are distinct. Okay, roots are different, so the CF root for the distinct root, the CF is c1 e to the power x. Now c1 pi equal to 1 upon d cube minus 2d square minus 5d plus 6. And now for putting the value of a in the place of d, we get 27 minus 18 minus 15 plus 6. So if we add minus 18 minus 15 and plus 6 and minus 27, it becomes 0, that is undefinable. So we multiply by x in numerator and differentiate with respect to denominator with respect to d, means differentiate the denominator with respect to capital D. So multiply numerator x into e to the power 3x and differentiate denominator with respect to d. It's become 3 3. We have to multiply x 3d square minus 4d minus 5. Okay, and the constant become 0. So now again apply the same rule, put the value of a equal to 3 in this equation, then we get 27 minus 12 minus 7, it become 10. Okay, this is your pi. Okay, and now y equal to cf plus pi. Okay, so put the value of cf, c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power 2x plus c3 e to the power minus x and plus x e to the power 3x upon 10. This is your required solution. Okay, if you face this type of question where denominator become 0, you have to do means you have to multiply the x into numerator and differentiate with respect to d in denominator. Okay, you got it. In the future you solve this type of question.